Hey guys, this is a tip that'll make sure that your generator is ready to start every time you need it to, and it's something you should do every single time you're going to put it in storage or if you're not going to run it for some time. Let's go. So probably the biggest reason why a generator won't start is because of a clogged carburetor from bad fuel, sitting fuel, or old fuel. So although using products like Stabilizer are a good practice if fuel is going to be in your tank and you're not going to run your machine for long periods of time, this tip is going to make sure that it always starts. And the key lies right here, your fuel shutoff valve, which should be located right under your tank and of course attached to your fuel line. Find your fuel line by finding that thing that looks sort of like a fuel filter. So what you want to do is you want to give your generator a good at least 5 minutes of run time. And then when you shut it off, do not use the on-off switch. Do not use it. What you want to do is while it's running, shut your fuel valve to off. What that's going to do is that's going to pull all the rest of the fuel out of your fuel line and out of the carburetor. You're going to have a dry, clean carburetor, and there's no way that fuel can gel up or clog anything inside your carb. Well, that's it, guys. I'm no certified small engine master mechanic. I'm just a guy that has a generator that starts every single time. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.